Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use different brushes, and also for your better understanding I'm going to recreate this look right in front of you. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm just going to prep my skin, and I'm using this Pond's lightweight moisturizer to prep my skin. It is necessary to moisturize your skin before starting makeup. So I'm just going to moisturize my skin. Also, don't forget your neck. I'm taking a bit more because I need more hydration. Also, I'm just applying lip balm. Now I'm just starting my eye makeup, and for that I'm using these brushes. I'm going to tell you about these brushes also, and I'm just going to create a look in front of you only. So starting with this blending brush, I'm just taking an eyeshadow palette like this. This is the eyeshadow palette I'm using, and I'm taking this shade and dabbing off the excess. I'm using this mirror. And I'm putting it in my crease, this area. I'm just placing it in my crease area. Also, I'm going to blend it in circular motions like this. I'm taking this shade now, darker, dabbing off the excess, and I'm just placing it just above my crease, that is in my transition. See? So in eye makeup, blending is the only key. So I'm just going to blend it as much as possible to avoid any kind of harsh lines. Circular motion. And I'm taking color very lightly with very light hand, because we can build colors. Once I've applied my transition shade, I'm just taking this orangish shade and I'm applying it on my crease area again to give more depth to my eyes. Like this. Now I'm just going to take a brush like this. This is a pencil brush, and I'm just taking it to, I'm just taking an intense color like this wine shade, and I'm picking it from this. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to precisely apply it on my outer V. See, I'm going to define my outer V with this, and then I'm going to fill that part. Firstly applying it, outlining it, and then I'm filling it. Apply and fill. And I'm again taking that fluffy blending brush and taking that same wine shade, tapping off the excess, and now I'm blending it. Can you see this? Like this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to pick a shimmer shade with my finger. So with glitter shades you have to apply it with your fingers only to get more pigmentation. I am applying it in my inner V. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just taking a clean blending brush, fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to pick that wine shade, the same wine shade from this palette. And I'm going to blend both of them together. Also I'm taking a bit of shimmer shade again, and then I'm taking that wine shade, just swirling it all over my eyelid like this. See? And I'm taking a clean brush, and I'm just going to blend all of this together in circular motion. Now there's no harsh line, and I'm just quickly going to do my next eyes and see you guys. Now I've completed my another eye. What I'm going to do is I'm just taking a fluffy brush like this. I'm just picking the same shade, the same wine shade, and applying it on my lower lash line. Also I'm going to take a flat brush like this and highlighting my inner corners. This really pops the eye and eyes look wide awake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone with this. For my eyebrows, I'm just taking a brush like this, which has a spoolie and an angular brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm just taking a dark shade Just taking this dark brown shade, just filling my eyebrows with this. I'm just outlining my eyebrows with this. Just drawing the hair, and I'm just going to comb my eyebrow. Keeping the same on another eyebrow. After my eyeliner, I'm just going to apply mascara, and this is Maybelline the Hyper Curl Mascara. I'm just going to clean my wand and just applying on my eyelashes, and I'm just going to wiggle my eyelashes like this. Just going to coat my lower lashes also, very carefully. I'm going to apply kajal in my waterline. Just taking Colossal Kajal. Like this. I'm just going to take this same color and smoking out my kajal with them. So once this is done, I'm done with my eye makeup. Now I'm going to move to face. Now I'm starting my face makeup, and I'm using these brushes. Also, I'm going to blend my base with my beauty blender. So first of all, I'm just taking a primer, and I'm just priming my T-zone to minimize my open pores. Just here, and just massaging it in. It will minimize my open pores, and I have some pores here, so it will minimize it and give me a smooth base. So after this, I'm just going to apply my strobe cream. This is Maybelline New York Strobe Cream. This will give me a glowy effect, within kind of glow. I'm just dotting it all over my face. I'm just going to massage it in. So this is all blended into my skin. I'm just taking my foundation, and for this I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm just taking 2 pumps of it on the back of my hand, and I'm just taking it with this. Just applying it all over my face first. Also on my neck. So I'm just going to dab the product into my skin like this, in the dabbing motion. I'm not swiping it, I'm just dabbing it. So I'm just going to conceal my under eyes, and I'm using this Maybelline Insta Age Rewind Concealer. I'm just putting it under my eyes like this. Also, this is a highlighting concealer, so I'm highlighting my face with this, like this. I'm using the same sponge, and I'm just pressing it into my skin. Like this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just taking this contour stick. This is Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour stick, and I'm just going to apply it on my cheekbones like this. Just making a fish pout, and I'm just doing a little bit of contouring, not going too overboard with it. A little bit. Like this. What I'm gonna do now, I'm blending it with this brush, angular brush, and I'm just blending it in circular motion and pushing into my hairline like this. In circular motion, and then in my hairline. Now I'm just going to set this contour with my bronzing powder. Also, I'm going to bake my under eyes with this banana powder. My bronzer, I'm going to bake this also. Now I'm going to powder it with a like this, and I'm just going to apply my blush. For that I'm using my blush. Never mind, I'm just going to use this eyeshadow palette for my blush, and I'm taking this wine shade on the tip of this brush like this. What I'm gonna do is just smile and apply it on my apples of my cheeks like this. Again, taking it on the tip, dabbing off the excess, and very light handedly I'm just going to also I'm pushing my blush into my contour like this. Once I've applied my blush, I'm just going to take a quick little shower in my setting spray. Just fanning it down, and with my same beauty blender I'm going to press it into my skin so that my makeup is blended together and mixed together like this. So after this I'm just going to highlight my face, and I'm using this fan brush to highlight, and I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. I'm just taking and I'm just swirling my brush here, just dabbing off the excess and applying it here. On the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, brow area, also I'm just going to like this in here. Then so my face makeup is complete. Now moving on to lips. Just taking this lip liner and lining my lips. And I'm filling my lips with this. Then I'm just taking my lipstick, this NYX Shanghai, just putting it in the center of my lips. This is done. Now my look is complete. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, also share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you in my next one.